Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on HONOR X6b. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Settings. Then go to Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match and click here to enable Hey Google. Now click on More and click I agree, then click on More and I agree again. And then click Next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next. And now you can go back and then click on lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. Then you can go back again and go back. Then click on Gemini and then click on More and continue and click on More and use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.